Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineering Shravan online application. In this video, I will explain you complete offers which I am providing behalf of the Independence Day. First of all, happy 79th Advanced Independence Day to the all Indians. So behalf of this Independence Day celebrations, we are providing 79 hours sale. This is only extremely for the 20 students. So in this video, I will cover you what is the Independence Day sale I am providing for the different types of the courses. In our channel, we are already provided the different types of the courses like STAAD Pro software, ETABS software, SAP 2000 software, Rivet architectural software as well as the Primavera P6 software. So previously I was given these courses for different types of the offers. But to behalf of the Independence Day, I am providing extra discount for these courses. For the individual packs, I was given certain amount of the discount, 80 to 85%, and for the 2-in-1 pack as well as the 3-in-1 pack, 4-in-1 pack, I was given different discount. So behalf of this Independence Day, I am providing 85% to 90% discount on all civil engineering courses. For the single pack also, and for the 2-in-1 pack, for the 3-in-1 pack, along with that 4-in-1 pack. And behalf of this Independence Day, we are launching 5-in-1 pack, which is the combination of all the courses like STAAD Pro software course, ETABS software course, SAP 2000 software course, Rivet architectural software course as well as the Primavera P6 software course. So I am combining these 5 courses to make single pack which is having all-in-one pack which is of 5-in-1 pack. So the 5-in-1 pack is live from 13th of this month 8 PM onwards, and complete offers which is related to the single pack, 2-in-1 pack as well as the 3-in-1 pack is also available from the 30th of this month 8 PM onwards. Okay, so this only offer will be Independence Day offer will be only valid for 20 number of the students. I am providing this offer only for the limited amount of the student, and along with that we are providing lifetime validity courses. So the lifetime validity courses will be only valid for single pack only, which is related to the individual packs of STAAD, ETABS, SAP 2000, Rivet architectural software as well as the Primavera P6 software courses. Now I will explain you what are the different types of the prices which I am providing for the single pack, 2-in-1 pack, 3-in-1 pack as well as the 4-in-1 pack along with that 5-in-1 pack. So for the single pack, previously I was given this offer for 3000 rupees. Okay, so actual price for the single pack is 6000 rupees. So for that particular 6000 rupees, I am giving 50% discount so that you will get for this course previously for the 3000 rupees. But beyond behalf of this Independence Day, 79th Independence Day, we are providing single pack at the rate 999 rupees only. Okay, if you are really want to interest this particular courses, you can purchase the course single pack which is at a cost of 999 rupees. After Independence Day, I am increasing the cost to 1499 rupees for the single pack only. Okay. Along with that, we have the 2-in-1 package there, which is the combination of different courses which we are already seen in the previous sessions. The combination of STAAD and ETABS and SAP as well as the Rivet architecture software, Rivet as well as the Primavera P6 software course, Primavera as well as the STAAD software course. For this 2-in-1 pack, previously I was given this course for 5000 rupees. But behalf of the Independence Day, we are providing huge discount. On this discount, we are providing at the rate 1999 rupees only. Okay, this is the second offer which is related to 2-in-1 pack, and in the same process I was introduced the 3-in-1 pack also, which is the combination of STAAD, ETABS, SAP, Rivet, Primavera. Okay, in the same process Primavera, STAAD as well as the Rivet architectural software. For the 3-in-1 pack, previously I was given this course for 6500 rupees, but for the offer on the Independence Day, we are providing these courses only at the rate 2999 rupees. Along with that, we have introduced the 4-in-1 pack, which is the combination of STAAD, ETABS, SAP, Rivet as well as the Rivet software, and second one will be of ETABS, SAP, Rivet and Rivet architectural software, Primavera P6 software as well as the STAAD software. So these are the 4-in-1 packs which I was already introduced in our courses. Previously I was provided this course for the 9000 rupees, but beyond of Independence Day sale, we are providing this course at the rate 2999 rupees only. Okay, you can avail this offer by applying the coupon codes. So I will generate the coupon codes which is related to the single pack as well as the 2-in-1 packs as well as the 3-in-1 packs along with that 4-in-1 pack, and next one related to 5-in-1 pack. So this is the 5 courses offer which I am providing for the STAAD, ETABS as well as the SAP, Rivet Architectural and Primavera P6 software. I am launching 5-in-1 pack in our application behalf of this Independence Day. You can apply the coupon code. If you are really wanted to interest in 5-in-1 pack, you can get this particular 5-in-1 pack at the rate 3,999 rupees only. So these are the offers which I am providing behalf of this Independence Day. This offer will be only for the 20 number of the students. Okay, you can avail this offer by applying the coupon codes from the 13th of this month. Okay, 13th of this month and 8 p.m. onwards. So if you want the advanced booking on the Independence Day sale offers, you can once ping me to my WhatsApp number which is available on the screen 9908332747, so that I will book a slot for you behalf of this Independence Day, so that you will be in that particular 20 number of the students. After 20 number of the students, the complete courses will be available at the rate 9,000 rupees for the 4-in-1 pack as well as 12,000 rupees for the 5-in-1 pack. Along with that 6,500 rupees for the 3-in-1 pack, 5,000 rupees for the 2-in-1 pack and as well as the 3,000 rupees for the single pack. You can apply the coupon codes in that particular 20 number of the students to get the additional discount on the courses behalf of this Independence Day. Okay, so and along with that we are providing the lifetime validity courses also. The lifetime validity courses I will make separate video about the lifetime validity courses. You can check that particular video in the next coming session, and along with that I will explain you what is the 5-in-1 pack course which I am launching in our application. You can check that particular video about the 5-in-1 pack, complete details about the courses. Thank you for watching this video. If you are really want to interest your skills regarding the civil engineering as well as the structural engineering, architectural engineering, this is the right time for you to increase your skills on the list prices. Okay, these are the offers which I am providing here. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next class. Thank you.